Dr. Danger Mouse out here, and I need to cut this worktop, which is granite. It's about 30mm, which is about 1¼ inches, and I'm going to need to grind it. I was looking at discs for the angle grinder. I knew I needed a diamond one because granite's very hard, and they were coming in at about 20 odd pounds to 50 odd pounds, depending on which make you got. And in the end, I plumped for this one. This is by Welcome Fee. It's a 4.5 inch diamond saw blade. Looks like that. It's quite weighty, which is good because it's going to be cutting granite, and it comes with a little collar here. So this blade was £5.65. So it'll be interesting to know whether it cuts the mustard or the granite even. Use this to centre the blade, so that goes on first onto the angle grinder. This is a Titan angle grinder. This is just a cheap angle grinder I bought for working on the car. Then you take the blade and it has to cut in a certain direction. Where the writing is here, that goes face down like that. And then if you look at the top, the little collar that was supplied centres the blade onto the tool, and then you just assemble as you would with any other angle grinding blade. Let's go and see if it cuts granite. As you can see, the blade did an admirable job. Didn't have to apply any pressure. The blade and the tool did all the work. The only thing I would say is the limitation was not the blades, probably, it was the tool itself. And I'll show you. Now this is a bit of the granite that was cut off. If I place the tool on here, you can see that the blade doesn't go all the way to the bottom. And even when you orientate it, you've still got about, I'd say 4mm gap there, but it did cut nearly all the way through. I got around the problem by just knocking the bit that was cut off and then tidying up the edges with the blade like that. I would highly recommend this cheap as chips blade, £5.65. I hope you found this video useful. Thank you for watching.